G'day viewers, today we're off to
Ando on the north coast.
Italy to have a look at Ballina Beach. It's supposed to be nice white sand, and then we'll be going down to the 100 Islands region and booking our trip out to 100 Islands tomorrow. Yay! Here we are getting some fuel. This little petrol station, very compact. 56.8 cents for unleaded. You're a very handsome man.
Hey, what's up, man?
Putting the petrol in. Very handsome. What's this Tondol Beach like?
Tondol Beach, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, dito, that's lang.
Is it nice?
Yo.
Oh, nice beach.
Like, is there waves there?
Yes, yeah.
Got waves?
No, this.
No. Diretto.
Oh, yes, sir.
Diretto.
Boy, boy.
Okay. Thank you. We got 1,000 pesos. We got 17.6 litres. Here we are in Ada. There's the wet markets in there.
Anda.
Anda, yes. Lots of trikes here. Trikes everywhere.
Yeah, that's their main transportation here, I think.
Transportation trikes.
In Bolinao, not much strikes.
Banana. This is still Pagasinan, isn't it?
Pangasinan, yes. There's the they're going to Pasay, Cubao, the bus station.
Yeah.
So everything is there, like schools, the police station, the market,
Yeah,
church.
So why is Pasanao? This is like one of the richest provinces in the Philippines because they produce the fish, the Bolinao fish, and because they've got the big salt mining up here. They produce a lot of fish. What's that other fish called, Annie?
Bangos. Milkfish.
Not fish.
Dagupan. That's the one you call it Dagupan, Bangos. There's another church, school.
Asbury College.
Asbury College.
A lot of people ride their bikes to school.
Annie's here loving Tondol Beach and loves the sign.
What's it called?
Tanduyong Island.
Tanduyong.
Tanduyong.
Island.
Looks good. It's good snorkeling?
Ano yung sa doon ya?
Oh, sir.
No?
Ano yung magandang snorkeling?
Doon ma'am sa may Cory Island yung puting yon.
Tori?
Cory Island.
Cory? Cory Island.
Oh, that's the one further out.
Cory Island, yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
He
It's
said 2,500 daw.
It's got coral.
Dead coral, sir.
Coral.
That's the dead corals.
Dead coral?
Namatay na corals man na naipon.
Pero may mga magandang corals din.
Siguro po sa pinakailalim siguro.
May nag-snorkeling ka?
Minsan.
This Tondol Beach. Low tide. White sand. Very relaxed, quiet place. It's got nothing on boracay. This little island out here looks nicer. It's got nice white sandy beach and palm trees. Anyway, we'll have a little look around and have a peruse. A couple of little cabanas you can hire out for the day. So you've got that island out there, and then you've got a little sandbar further out that's supposed to be good, some good snorkeling, some corals.
I think they do the paddle there.
Not sure what they're doing. Might be fishing, or they might be.
There's cottages here, but it's like no one's renting. It's
No.
broken down.
Probably very quiet this time of year too.
Yes. There's a bluebird
There's a
there. in the-
volleyball court on the little sandbar.
Yeah.
It's cute. Patar Beach Resort, Annie, on the road.
Volleyball in the
Volleyball on the beach. On the
no
sandbar.
water this time.
What's this one?
Patar Beach Resort. Nice
Oh.
colors.
And some little cabanas you can rent out.
It's a nice color. There's a car at the back. There's a car at the back. No, no, I meant the video that
We
thing.
don't want evidence.
No, we're
They haven't got any
here.
signs up, they might have closed.
No. Just see. Alamino City Hall. It's Alamino City Hall.
It's all happening.
How home of the 100 islands, the Alaminos.
Is this it?
It's a big city,
There's
yes.
no drive through here.
I don't know. Accommodation number 6. Carribean Transient House. Dito sa Pangasinan, 100 Islands. Ito yung room namin. May fridge. Cabinet, damitan. May single bed. Merong electric fan, AC, vanity TV, merong working table, double size na kama, may ceiling fan, koi. Meron na rin silang heater, mga baso. At ito yung bathroom. Nice.
Here we are at 100 Islands at the tourism office, and we're just having a look to get some tickets from tomorrow. This is at Alaminos City, and we're going to check out what we need to do for tomorrow. There's a garbage fee, an environment fee, there's all types of fees. Anyway, we're going to give it a nudge tomorrow. Hopefully the rain holds off. Welcome to 100 Islands, Alaminos City, Pangasinan, Philippines. Boys feeding the goldfish. Not supposed to be, but they're feeding them. Anyway, let's check this out. 100 Islands. Oh, this is like an indication, Annie, see?
Yes.
There's Marcos Island, Marcos, Quezon Island, Cathedral, Lopez. That's an indication of all the islands. It's quite well done. This is the takeoff area for 100 Islands. We're going out tomorrow, and hopefully the rain holds off, but it's supposed to rain for the next 4 days, so we're just going to go out tomorrow and give it a nudge, and hopefully we get some nice swimming and some nice snorkeling. Marcos Island, Quezon Island, Lopez, Old Scout Island. Statue of Jesus. Going out to the island tomorrow. Okay, here's Governor's Island. That's got the governor on there.
Virgin
Then
Island.
there's Virgin Island. And then there's Pilgrimage Island.
Braganza Island. The one with Jesus is the Pilgrimage. Romulo Island. Mayor's Island. Season Island. New South Island. So this is like all the islands that you will go if you go into 100 islands.